How to make a product sold out on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to go over to the top left hand corner and you are going to select products. After selecting products, you are going to select the product that you would like to make out of stock. For example, this product right here, you can see that at the moment I have 1,000 in stock, but let's say I want to say it is out of stock. All I have to do is tap on the particular product. Then you are going to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you are going to see on hand. You are going to tap right there, or you can select available. After you have done that, you'll simply put 0, then tap on save. And after you have done that, you can see that it now says 0. And all you have to do is tap on preview at the top, and the product is now out of stock. As you can see right here, sold out, and that's it. You will simply go back and you will tap on save. You want to ensure that you have saved the changes. Once you have saved the changes, that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.